Hello students, class 9. Let's start our study. English, third chapter, The Little Girl. Summary of this chapter, okay? In this chapter, we will discuss about a little girl, okay? Students means in your family have parents, grandparents, and you have also behave with them lovingly, and someone means maybe you have fear in your mind means I think proper means probably I have seen and listened means children's much more fear with their father and dad, okay, if they have short tempered nature and angry person that time, okay, means same happen in this chapter also. Means the little girl name was Kezia. So means let's start our chapter. Kezia's father. Kezia's father was a heighted means uh, heighted man means having much more height than the common persons, and his mouth, his face also be long, and means totally he appeared means like a giant, means heavy, dangerous personality, heavy personality. So Kezia have afraid with her father, and she much more means being fearful by his nature. Okay, and in this Kezia is afraid of her father. You know, means if anyone having high, heavy personality and looking means strong looking faces and short tempered also angry persons also, that time children's also unable to speak in front of him. So Kezia also unable to speak in front of him and always fear with him. In spite of Kezia's family have means her father, mother, grandmother, and a cook also whose name Alice. Okay, but means she want to ignore her father very much because means she unable to speak anything in front of him. Okay, and when morning time always means morning time when he came at his room, that time means she becomes so nervous, and that time when means as the fathers love towards the children, he wants to kiss her, that time means Kezia also feels no warmth, no love, means no affection with him because she have fear. And when her father went to office, she got relaxed whole day till his return at evening. Okay, means these incidents have happened in this chapter by that little girl. Okay, next one is when father came home at evening. Means after passing the whole day, spending the whole day with relief, means at evening time when father's coming time, that time Kezia again becomes so nervous and feeling not well. Why? Due to fear. Okay. And when his father means came at home, he ordered demanding for the things like the towel, the slippers, the newspaper, and for the tea. That time her mother means said to her, go and offer him those things. And when her mother said that, means scold the shoes of your father, that time she also be nervous and she dislike to do these things due to fear. Okay, Sunday afternoons. Sunday afternoons when Kezia's grandmother want to Kezia spend her afternoons with her parents, that time she want to send her with them, but she got there, her mother always was reading some magazines, some stories on sofa, and her father always sleeping on Sunday because you know, due to resting day that day, her father want to take rest, and he sleeps always there, even talking with their child. Okay, means children have also expectation their parents will talk with them and do something means extra and anything new on that holidays. But it's not done by Kejia's parents. Kejia's parents only were doing on that day, Sunday, holiday, means only their own work, their personal things, like father was resting and mother was reading something on that day. And when he awake, that time when he saw the Kejia, means always compare with the brown owl, means you are looking as the brown owl, the statement of Kejia's father. Okay, in this way, means Sunday is also not feeling well by the Kejia. Okay, then next was Kejia made a pin cushion. One day Kejia's grandmother had told her about the Kejia's father's birth date. Okay, then Kejia had decided she will must make a pin cushion for her father, and she had means taken some papers from the father's room, and those papers were very important for her father, but she don't know about it, and she had means tore those papers and filled inside a means cushion she had made. Okay, and in this way those papers she had told was important, she don't know, and she had made a pin cushion. Okay, after that, you know, Kejia's punishment for important papers. When Kejia's father was searching that paper and he was not getting, that time whole family means become upset. Her father, mother, grandmother, everyone was searching those papers. Then Kejia had told she had taken that papers, whatever she had means filled in that cushion. Those papers she had taken from the father's room, means from the table that was kept on the table. Then Kejia grandmother knew this, and her mother had told to her father, and her father had means become so upset and out of control, and due to short tempered behavior means he had punished Kejia. Okay, and from that day Kejia become means totally nervous, means she have no good feelings toward her father from that day, because her father means become merciless and he had beaten her badly, and on that day she had means wept much more. Okay, so Kezia saw Mr. MacDonald. Kezia had seen Mr. MacDonald, means who was next door neighbor of Kezia, was very loving in nature and wants to means he used to play with his children and means live with lovingly cheerfully there, and that things Kezia had observed one day, and she had seen one day when that time. Okay, and Kezia thought that means all the parents and all the fathers were not be alike, means having their different nature, she observed on that day. Okay, one day Kezia along with her father, one day, you know, Kejia's mother become ill, and she went to the hospital with means her grandmother. Her grandmother also went there with her mother in hospital, and she was alone there with the Alice cook, means for the day, means daytime she have no any problem, she had spent her day anyway, and when means become evening, at night time, when bedtime, she went to bed alone, and she had seen much more dreadful dreams, means as a butcher was coming there with the knife and he was smiling. That time Kezia means being screamed loudly for the grandma, for the grandmother, but no one was there except her father, and her father had came and means went with his loving daughter there in his bedroom, and whole the night he had care kiya, and he had also asked what happened, why you are means being troubling and being screaming as loudly. Then means she got relaxed when she hugged her father tightly, and she whole night means she had slept there in her father's room and with her father. That time she realized that my father have also a lot of feelings, and my father also love me, but his temper, his nature, his outlooking was not being as comfortable for her. Okay.